I've been exploring the How We Feel app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. How We Feel is an emotional well-being journal designed to help you check in with your mood, understand patterns, and learn simple strategies to handle difficult feelings in daily life. It is especially geared toward people who like quick mood tracking and science-based guidance without a heavy therapy feel. The core flow centers on daily check-ins using a color-coded emotion grid that helps you put a precise name to what you feel, then links that to your sleep, exercise, and other habits over time. You also get short video-based strategies on themes like changing your thinking, moving your body, or being more mindful, plus an option to share how you feel with trusted friends for extra support. Because the app is free with no aggressive paywalls, many users appreciate that it feels accessible and genuinely helpful rather than sales-driven, which is reflected in its very high 4.9 out of 5 rating from around 27,000 reviews. However, it is not without flaws. Some users mention occasional bugs and crashes, and the latest update notes a recent fix for a crash related to adding friends, which suggests there can be stability hiccups. The focus on emotions and simple exercises also means it is not a full replacement for therapy, and those wanting deep customization or multi-language emotional content may find it somewhat limited given its primarily English interface. Overall, if you value a gentle, research-informed way to build emotional awareness and want a free journaling tool that respects your data and avoids heavy monetization, How We Feel is a solid choice. It is best suited for people willing to check in regularly and use the strategies as small habits. If you need intensive mental health support or highly advanced tracking features, you may want to pair it with other tools or professional care. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.